Hi, my name's Kenny Glick. I've been making videos on YouTube since 2007. There was only four people making videos about the stock market in 2007. I was one of the four, and I'm still here. Funny thing is, one of the other guys is still doing it. Oscar Carboni. You know who's doing it for a really long time? My hero, Brian Shannon. He's still doing some videos. Says something if you make it this far. Anyway, somebody commented about this book. How could we trust a guy that has a book that says this? How could you not trust a guy that has a book written about all the mistakes that I've made, losing my courage, losing my balls? And even when I got them back, they remained very, 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 very small, almost infinitesimally small. It's a love story. It's a story of triumph and rising from the ashes. It's a story of learning how to trade again. It's a story of accepting my faults. It's a wonderful book. One of these days, I'm actually going to complete it. But more importantly, what I do best as a bear trapped in a bull market is sell. Now, again, why am I not worth 30 to 40 million? It's because I sell and I miss on a lot of these monstrous moves. Even as awesome as Jumama was, JMIA, didn't change my life, where it could have been a life-changing trade, as well as the last 75 trades I've done over the last 18 months, which have been pretty freaking awesome. Anyway, who cares? It's about what I do now. If anybody's still out there debating whether or not you want to come hang with me, it's free. And what I do is I trade live and I do commentary for about 2 or 3 hours a day, every single day. And I tell people what I like to trade, why I'm trading them, and I explain the intricacies of volume weighted average price, VWAP. And it's all I do. There is only one trade, one line to save them all, one line to rule them all. But why am I here? Why am I here today? I'm here today to say that we've been selling, and I have been mentioning that I'm short the Qs. And the reason I sell naked calls instead of buying puts is that I don't have to be perfect. If you buy puts and you're wrong, you're a loser because they run out of time and they disintegrate and go to zero. What I decided was I thought the market was coming near a top, right? Between 440 and 450, I thought. So I figured if I sell some 470s and some 480s a few months out and take in the premium, if I'm wrong and we start breaking out, I'll quickly take the loss. But I could be wrong for a couple of days like I was. But because I sell the premium in June and September, I've got a little cushion. So now what went from a loss is turning into a nice gain right now. And more importantly, this is the UVXY move you've been waiting for, not those 2 cent, 3 cent moves. This is a real move. Now, again, it's in the heightened state of a sell-off. Tomorrow will be the real indicator of what's going to happen next. Wow, that's an eye-opening statement. Tomorrow you'll know what's going to happen tomorrow, but it's true. If UVXY maintains its strength, the market will go down again. If the market breaks today's lows tomorrow, it will go down tomorrow. And I'm just looking for, today I thought the Qs would take a break at 437.50 and leave some on the table for tomorrow, but it doesn't look like it's going to leave anything. The sell-off might get to where I thought it was going to take 2 or 3 days to get to, all on one day. Kind of typical how the sell-offs happen. You go up, and you get these big sell-offs. I'm looking at 433.65, which is $1 away from here. It's not even a big deal if we get there. But if we don't hold that, then we're looking at monthly, right? I'm sorry. Then we're looking at where I think we can go, which is another 5 points from here, which is still not a big deal. So I think there's major support around the 430 area, 429.50 to 430.20, that little moment right there. But if we break through that with some gusto, you're really just looking at 5 to 8 more points to the downside. I think if all the damage is contained like it usually is, the most the Qs are going to go down 416.62. 416.62? Yeah, that's basically 18 more points from here. It's not a big deal. We've been rallying for 4 straight months. So obviously I'm staying short and just getting out of all the positions, which are all still awesome. And I actually started shorting some of the names that I was in. Jumama, CCC, Palantir. I haven't traded Captain since I sold it. I'm not kind of trading that. Carvana, I'm done trying to short it. I lose every time. Something about it. But I just wanted to say hello and hope you're doing well. My name's Kenny Glick. If you'd like to learn how to really trade and survive, just show up at my website. It's called hitthebid.com. Google my name, Kenny Glick. I'm a little pissant on the internet, but if you Google my name, you'll find me and read some reviews about me. They're 98% positive, which is hard to believe considering I'm an internet schmuck. You know, there's usually a little bit more people that hate you out there when you're exposing yourself on the internet. Not exposing myself like that. Then again, there is a video like that out there somewhere. You don't want to see that video, but you know what I'm saying. Good luck, my friends. Hopefully I'll see you on the website. If I'm around Thursday night, we're schmoozing, but I'll be in touch tomorrow. I think today's Tuesday. I'll see you tomorrow.